Hi, I'm Anton with 27 North, and today we'll talk about how to troubleshoot your 110 volt system. First, we'll need to check to make sure that all the breakers are on. Our breakers are located in the PDC, so we'll need to make sure that our master breaker is on and all of the breakers that we need to work are also switched to on. If that doesn't work, we'll open our electrical box and we'll check our A&L fuses. We have two 350 amp A&L fuses. One is labeled inverter isolator, the other one is labeled battery OCP. If any of them are blown, replace one, and hopefully that will fix the issue. If that doesn't work, then check to make sure your batteries are not dead. Make sure the lights are on. If they don't turn on, that means they are depleted and you'll need to plug in shore power into your van and switch your inverter isolator on. If your GFI receptacle popped, then try resetting it. Hope this video helped get your 110 volt system up and running. And if you have any more questions, be sure to leave them in the comment below and we'll be sure to make a video about those as well. I'm Anton with 27 North. Thank you for watching